Hi, 2024 Nissan Sentra. Gotta do the oil change. So you open hood. Over here in the middle, there's a latch. Right there. 2024 Nissan Sentra. Gotta do the oil change again. This car has 9,000 miles. Let's check it out. Gonna need this kickstand. It's gonna be here. You see oil engine cap, engine oil cap. My bad. It's early morning. We should fill reservoir, coolant reservoir. It's a little bit low. Air filter, fuse box, motherboard, battery, brake fluid reservoir. This is 2.0, 2024, 2.0. It takes the 1, 2, 3, 4 coolant, antifreeze. Let's go to the bottom. Let's get it. So this one, it's gonna be 13 right here. 13, 14. Some people say that, oh, mine is 14. Oh, mine is 13. So there you go, 13, 14. Uh, we'll reach this easily, but to get to the oil filter, we're gonna go that way. So we're gonna have to remove all this. There's, right here, there's two. Same on the other side. There's two. This is same on the other side. It was 14. Remove the 14. Now the oil filter. Over here. You know how to remove it with your clamp. Turn it countertopwise. Remove it. The filter. Tie this nugget. Tie this nugget 14. All the clips that came from the cover. It's gonna take 4.3 quarts. 0W20. 4.3. Put that back.